Alright guys, girls, welcome to another episode of Astral Auto Repairs. Can you dig it? Alright, check it out. Today we got a 2007 Jeep Commander. Commander-in-Chief. And the customer called us today to check out a transmission fluid leak. And he supplied us with the lines. So, let's find out about this. Coming up on Astral Auto Repairs. This channel is a member of the Astral Stars, which means we have a zero-tolerance policy against the harassment of others. Anybody who violates that policy will be banned. For further information, please visit www.theastralstars.com.
Hi, welcome to another episode of Astral Auto Repairs. Can you dig it?
All right, here we go. Customer bought transmission lines from Napa. This is some funky lines. Look at this, guy. This thing it's come with both lines all the way back. Dang. Now this part goes to the transmission. Then it goes all the way up to the radiator or the transmission oil cooler, whichever one it is. Now here's the reason why the customer got the parts. Ouch. What about if I spit it? Alright,
and then he wonders why people say he sounds like Kevin Hart.
Check it out. Here we go. Customer went somewhere, I don't know, get an oil change or something. So they told him it's got a scuff shield. That's a little shield at the bottom of the car that stops us in case you hit bottom out or something. They said they saw a leak on there. So he looked up under there and somebody determined that it was coming from the transmission cooling lines. So he called us. But before he did that, he went and bought the lines. So he said, I want you to check it out. And if it comes out to be the lines, here you go. Change them. All right. So we're going to jack this up, get up under there, verify where it's coming from. And if it's coming from the lines, we're going to be rechanging them, okay? We'll be right back. All right, guys, here we go. We got this car jacked up. Guys, this is out of everything, this right here is very important. You got to have your car jacked up and you got to have it on jack stands. Now, not only stop there, but I want to check this out. When you picking your car up on dirt or grass like this is some soft grass right here. You put that jack up there or that jack stand, that thing will sink into the ground and this car is coming down on you. And nothing is worse than having the Commander come down on you. Alright, check it out. So we got our hydraulic jack up under there and we got our jack stand up under there also. And what I did was lower it down just enough. Now it's a little bit crooked here, but I got it hooked on to that, so it's latched onto that bolt so I know it won't go nowhere. But and I'm leaving all of that just in place. In place. Now, if it turns out that we got to do these lines, I'm taking all this out, getting a nice big long piece of wood up under here for the jack to sit on also. Now this right here is a 2x10, so that's solid. Don't want to don't get no particle board and put up in there, or that jack will go right through it. All right, enough of this playing around. Let's get up under there. Grass up under here. All right. Okay, there's our lines right there. I can see a little bit of. I can see what they're talking about. One right there. Notice how. Let me cut this light on. There's a little shade right there. All right, and that's a. Okay, you could tell us how this one's dry. That one's a little moist. Let's go to the other side. That's very little moist right there. And that one up there is this is really just considered sweat, guys. And that one right there, I mean, that's not really leaking. I'll tell you what, let me put my hand over here. And look at that. My hand is dry. That's dirt. So that's dry. I mean, that is not leaking. Let's go around here. Now there is some oil along this frame right here, and we go up. Now see, now that's a leak. That's a leak. That's leaking right there. And all right, now this could possibly be from the crankshaft seal, but what we gotta do is go up on top to see if there's oil leaking down onto that. So let's go back further. See if we see anything else. Follow these lines back. All right, there we go. That's right there. I can see our lines all the way up. Nothing. Here's our transmission lines right here. Nothing. So that's what they're talking about? Wait, what's that? Look at that right there. That's some more oil right there. Huh. That is some oil. Now, wait a minute now. This one looks like it's traveling up. Let's see if we can go here on the side of the engine. Inside here. All that looks dry. Wait a minute. The oil looks like it's going further up. Let's look up under here. Oh yeah, there we go. Look up, watch this, guys. Watch, follow my light. Look up there. You see oil right there where the exhaust manifold bolt is. And we see oil right there. Let's go up on, let's get from under here and let's go up on top. Right back. All right, here we are on the top of the car. The first thing we want to do, go up to the front. And we want to see if we see any oil dripping down where our harmonic balancer is. No. No, so that oil is not traveling down there, so we have confirmed that it's coming from the front crankshaft seal. Now over here in the back of the engine, right on this corner, right down here, let's get down here. Huh. There we go. The back corner of the valve cover gasket is leaking right on the corner, and that's the oil traveling down there. So we don't need transmission lines, because that's a little sweat. I would not charge a customer and tell a customer they need that because it's leaking. So that's not leaking, but we do have a leak from the crankshaft seal and the valve cover gaskets. Okie dokie. We'll be right back.
We'll start it.
Yeah, I'm recording.
You could have said something.
Go. Action.
Okay, so today we had a 2007 Jeep Commander with a 4.7 engine, and this is a flex fuel, 4-wheel drive. So that we checked out a leak. And the moral of the story is, if you have a leak, make sure you thoroughly check what's going on. And if you see something leaking, make sure you follow that leak to make sure you change the right gasket or
just call Astral
or whatever, or call Astral if you're in the area. I know I've been getting calls from like California. Do you guys come out to California? No. We don't go to California. Right here. This is it. Okay? Otherwise, I guess you're going to have to find someone else like Astral. I don't know if you can do that, but
that's right.
I guess you could try. Anyway, if you guys have any comments or questions, you can post it below. in the comment section, or you can email Timmy at tim@astralautorepairs.com. Man, this sun is like burning my corneas. Hope you paid attention. If not, watch it again. This is Sylvia from Astral Auto Repairs. If we can't repair it, nobody can. See you next time.